This video is about the shirt that refuses to stay tucked in. My name is Michael and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. If you're first time here, we've got 160 videos. I'm sure you can find something suitable for you, and in December we are actually showing you new stuff, new video every single day. And if you wondered what that tie is our most famous, the best tie we have done so far, which is the 7-fold Italian wool tie, which is available with 20% discount from the link below. Just do yourself a favor, we only made 2 of those so far. It's just amazing, it feels great. You can do a little bit of dimple, 7-fold, so it's the most expensive tie you can possibly make. Yeah, if you're into your ties, don't waste your time, buy this now. I used to have this little problem to confess to you, my dear YouTube watchers. The problem we aim to tackle here and with this video is a small challenge that all men face several times every single day. What I'm talking about is your shirt escaping your trousers without you controlling it. Do you experience that? I do. When I say used to, because I think I have found something that actually going to help us with that problem. And I also have done a bit of a research about this, and there is many solutions to this problem. Yeah, I know, middle class problems, right? People starving in the world, and we're talking about the shirts getting out of your trousers, but it is really annoying, and we need to find a solution to that. I went last night to a gala dinner, and there was like 50% of guys with shirts out at sort of 11 o'clock. Maybe it had something to do with the amount of alcohol they consumed, most likely, but also the fact that they didn't know what to do. They didn't know what to do. No idea. So, to avoid shirt coming out of your pants or trousers, you know, you have to think about a potential solution. You may even forcefully tuck your shirt into your underwear, which kind of is gross. Or even try those strange magnetic inserts I've seen a few times online popping all over the place. Not sure about those. There is also that shirt that has got a horizontal bottom end, like a buttonhole that you can actually sort of attach to trousers, which some people like. I still don't understand how they can do it, but maybe. That goes to show that there is a real problem in the menswear world that designers and creators been trying to figure out and just trying to find a solution to it, because that's a real issue. So in order to have your shirt looking impeccable all day long, you have to perform a manual tuck 2 or maybe 3 times a day, maybe even more if you sort of keep reaching at things and keep trying to grab things. And how do I know it's a big of a problem? Because some trousers even have got, tricked us in having this silicone band around them. First answer, number 1, is, which I found in Italy, actually doing the research for this video, in Milan. There is that solution of onesie, where the shirt is connected to your underwear, which is weird, but bear with me, because Italian folks devised a solution for for one of their big customers, both literally and figuratively, but it must be uncomfortable. It looks uncomfortable. If you're reaching out to grab something, everything obviously goes up, including your underwear, so that is interesting. Also, imagine if you're undressing to have some action with a lady, and all of a sudden she sees that. She may laugh, but that could be the end of the action, most likely. However, there is a second solution, which my friend Johan from Sharp and Dapper popularized. I don't think he invented it, but at least he popularized that. And it's not a sponsor video, but I guess it may as well be, because they are awesome and they are amazing. I want to show you what they are. They are called shirt stays. Johan is top bloke. Shirt stays, a top product. Let me show you. You can check my shirt stay in-depth review just over here, so you can go and check it out. But I want to show you quickly what they are. You know, 3 elastic bands there, and then you've got 1 longer elastic bands that sort of get attached to your socks. These 3 are again attached to your shirt. And to be honest, that has changed the way I perceive tucked and untucked shirts. It's changed my life. Because it's a not sponsored video, there are other alternatives to Johan's solution. One of them is from a no-name company on eBay, which I don't like as much as Johan's solutions. Let me tell you why. Because that's supposed to go around your leg, right? So imagine that stays on your leg all day long. Elastic band around your leg, around your thigh all day long. That's going to create some tension, and that's only probably going to stop the blood supply going to your leg as well. Like, your leg is alive and it needs blood. That's going to stop that blood from coming through. Of course, it has got sort of similar clips to your hand solution, but to me, that's just useless. And I guess some people may not like the feel of it. Especially again if you are ready for some action and all of a sudden you pull your pants down and you've got something attaching socks to your shirt. But you know what? I had a few comments from the ladies. I've asked them about this. What if, you know, I show them what I've got here? What if I show you what I've got in my pants? No, I didn't ask that. But imagine if I did. They'd be surprised. Anyhow, back onto shirt stays, Sharp and Dapper. So you've got those, and I've asked them, like, what would you say about them? And they laughed, but they said it's actually quite cool because it means that the guy thinks about looking sharp. Makes sense, right? So there is a moral to this story, no doubt. It's a small story and small moral, but buy shirt stays which are extremely inexpensive and allowing you to get rid of that untucked shirt problem, which I've seen time and time again. It's such a small fix, and it just works as a treat. And Johan from Sharp and Dapper was kind enough to give you a discount code of 15%, 15. If you type Men's Finest at the checkout, you're gonna get 15% off. Not bad. Stay stylish, wear some shirt stays, or combine another solution, whatever you can think of, or whatever you're going to find. But most importantly, make sure your shirt stays in.